Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, so I have a little unboxing that I want to do with you guys. I treat myself to a little something and I bought it like almost 2 weeks ago, and I said I wanted to open it up with you guys. So it's a bag, something that I've wanted for a little while, so I decided to go ahead and get it. Alrighty, so it's a Coach bag. Yay! I still have it in the wrapping. I did not take it out, so I'm gonna be taking it out of the bag and show it to you guys. So I'm gonna be seeing it the same time that you guys are seeing it, okay? So it comes in this little plastic, right? It comes in this little plastic first, all taped up, right? And then it has like this foam protecting it, right? And it's really protected. So this is a bag. Let me tell you what it's called. Hold on, y'all. It's called the Coach Polished Pebble Leather Bag, right? So this is her. I don't have a Coach. I've had a Coach bag, but I don't have a Coach bag this size and this style. I don't have any this big, and I wanted a big one where I can, you know, I can carry it to work with me, like an everyday bag where I can put my laptop in there. So I decided to go ahead and treat myself, girls. So this is how she's looking. She's very cute. All right, let's see what's it's well protected too. They make sure that, you know, they wrapped up the straps and stuff to make sure that we don't have any problems. I'm excited, you know. Gotta treat yourself sometimes. You know, ladies, you gotta treat yourself sometimes. Like, instead of you spending money to buy, you know, this little bag here, this little bag here, and then it breaks, you know, you invest and you get a good one that's gonna last you for a while. I tell y'all, it's stuffed in there, okay? I have everything stuffed. So I'm gonna show you the inside. Okay, I think we got everything out. So let me show you the inside. So the inside of it is has like a little maroon. That's, you know, those are little things that comes in to keep the bag smelling fresh. So that's how the inside looks. It's very big, right? So you have like a, hold on. You have a magnetic closure here. So it, you know, right here. Hope I'm showing this to you guys. It's really big. And here, of course, this is the front where it has the big C right here. I don't like bags that have like a lot of print all over them. I like the plain ones like these. It just has like a simple gold letter here, the C here, and you just put it into the little hook, and then you like twist this to close it, like right there. Okay, hopefully you guys saw that. On the inside, I don't think it comes with like a wallet or anything. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So on the inside, it comes with like a little, oh, it comes with a dust bag that you could store it in, which is so nice. Right? It says Coach on there. So that's really, really pretty, right? So I can put this in there to store it so I don't get any dirt and dust on it. And then just like a little, oh, just a little, I guess it's just information. You can scan the QR code here to get some more information about it. Yeah, I really like it, guys. The inside of it here is just a regular fabric, like this part hold on, let me show you guys. This part is leather, right? This part is leather, and then it has a little pocket right here. Has a tiny little pocket right that you can maybe put some change or maybe your keys or something there, if your keys could fit there. I don't think your keys could fit there, but it's just, it has the Coach Coach sign there, right? Then on the other side of it, of course, it's leather as well. It's very roomy, guys, very roomy. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my iPad to see if it could fit in here. Alrighty, and then this part is just made out of cloth. Okay, this is my MacBook Pro that I got like, I got this like around 2 years ago. You know, treat myself to a little something, because I needed this to edit my videos, because I was editing my videos on my iPad, right? So what I would have to do, I would have to film my video on my camera, then I would use the Wi-Fi to transfer it to my iPad, which it would take hours on top of hours. When I tell you hours, sometimes it would overnight and I'm still waiting. So then I would have to wait for that to upload the video, to go on my iPad and edit the video, and then when I try to upload the video after I'm done editing to YouTube, it would take hours. So what I did was I got myself my little MacBook. This is a MacBook Pro, I think it's the 14 or the 16 inch, 14.5 or 15, something like that, girls. I'll leave it down for you, okay, just in case. So that's my little MacBook here, and I really love it because what happens, it has, it's like I work for Mac, right? I don't work for Mac. It has a slot right here, right on the side, right here. So I can just take out my SD card out of the camera, put it in there, and right away I have access to my videos and I can go ahead and edit it. Actually, no, that was the wrong part. This is the charger part that I'm showing you. This is the part where you put your, right here, you put your SD card. So I don't have to wait. It goes in, I can have access to my stuff right away, and I can edit my videos right away, and it take a few minutes to upload them to YouTube. So let's see if this could fit in here. Wow, look at that, guys. Perfect. Like, look at that. Perfect. Yeah. So that's how we're gonna be walking, you know. I really like it. It's so cute. I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys. You know, you guys are my friends, so anything exciting that happens in my life, I like to let my YouTube family, my YouTube sisters and brothers know. Alrighty, guys, so that is what I had to share with you. I thought it would be a little bit different, so I hope that you enjoyed. And that's all we have. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you're interested, or if you're interested, just let me know, and I'll you know, I'll share the information with you. But it feels very nice and strong and sturdy. So let me give you another close-up of it. I don't know if you could see the little pebbles that you're talking about. Yeah, right there you could see the little pebble. Right, it's not that shiny and smooth, has a little texture to it. I really like it. So we're gonna take a thumbnail, and I hope that you enjoy watching this little style of video. You know, something a little different that I've never shared on here. So I hope that you enjoy watching, guys. That's all I have to share with you today, and I hope you have a great rest of the night whenever you're seeing this, a great rest of the day, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend if you see this before the weekend. All right, if not, have a great week. You know what I mean? Just have a great, just everything great. Just have a great time. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I just came from work and I'm tired, so I'm just talking a lot. I need some food in my system right now. So that's all I have to share with you guys. My little Coach bag that I can carry to work. And I don't have to stuff my stuff. I don't have to carry like different things. Because normally I have my iPad bag, and then I have my lunch bag, and then I have my other purse. Now I can just put everything in here and go about my business. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope that you enjoy watching. And again, if you like this video and you're enjoying my content over here, go ahead and like the video for me. give it a thumbs up, you know, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.